I'm going to teach you the choreography from Le Corsaire. We will have a few little props partway through, but first of all I'll show you it without. So you're going to start off sort of about here-ish, and we're going to wait for 4 counts. You're going to place your hand over your face and step back for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do 8 balances with the foot tapping in front and swinging your arms at the same time. So we're going to go 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, like you're on a ship, 7, 8. Lovely. Then your hands are coming onto your hips. We're going to slide and heel, slide and heel, slide and heel, slide and heel. Now shift your weight. You want to imagine you're pulling up the sails on a ship. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, quick, quick, and a heel. So it's slow, slow, quick, quick, heel. And you do it 4 times. Slow, slow, quick, quick, heel, slow, slow, quick, quick, heel. From here, you want to shift your weight to the other heel and take a deep diagonal line. And then this hand, same hand as the leg that's sticking out, you're going to bring over your body and you're going to spin around. Actually place the other hand in the small of your back as you go around, so you're around. Heel digs in and you spin around. Now 5 more of those balances with the arms. 1, like the C, it's really choppy. 4, 5. You're going to step forwards, arms swing, out. Lovely, so you've got that down and out. Next little bit is quite tricky. The music clips, but you have to just keep going. You're going to place your hand behind and the other hand is going to slice out. We're going to go out, out, step, step, step. Other way. Out, out, front, back, front. Again. Out, out, front, back, front. Last time. Out, out, front, back, front. Yep. Now, if you have a prop, I've got a pound shop cutlass, which actually is beautiful ballet peach, which I'm going to slide into my little scarf here. You could use anything, but it's quite nice to just get into the spirit of it. So you're going to pull out your cutlass, the other hand goes to the small of your back. You're doing some little steps and coupéing out like this. Every time your leg goes out, you chop. Just watch where you're waving your cutlass. So you're going 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then turn around. It could be a spin, you could just step turn. Switch hands, switch legs. So you go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn around, switch hands again. Now hands in the small of your back. You're going to use your back leg, the one closest to the back of the room, and you're going to lift it to an attitude. So you lift and step, and again, lift and step. 3 of them, lift and step. 2 little springs, like a ball change to the front. Change hands, ready to use the leg that's still furthest to the back of the room. So you lift and step, lift and step, lift and step. A ball change, ball change. Lovely. Next little bit. Don't need to hop, it would be a hop, but we're just going to step. So a little petit retire. Your arm's going to go out and 2. Just watch any light fittings, and you're going to go forwards and back, forwards and back again, and lift, 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 forwards and back, forwards and back. I'm now going to pop this away because the next bit you need both your arms out to the side. It's a cutting action. You're going to lift it out, lift it out, lift it out, and then step across. If you wanted to, you could add little hops. You're going and hop, and hop, and hop, step, step, lift and lift and lift and step, step. 4 of them, yes? You don't need to hop though. You could just extend it, extend it, extend it. Little step. Lovely. From there, it goes into a really, really slow section as if you're pulling the anchor up on a ship. So you want to reach and pull. Big movements. putting all of these muscles into it. 3 one way, change legs, pulling the other way, reaching and pulling. 1 more, and then just channeling your best part of yourself to reach 1 arm up, the other arm up, both hands behind your head as if you were out at sea, just surveying everything around you. To go back into this slicing action, so you're going to go slice, slice, step, step, step. So repeating this again 4 times. 2, step, 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 da, da, step, step, step. Back into the little step hoppy bits. You're going to go lift, 2, 3, 4, forwards and back, forwards and back. Pop this away. Last little bit, you're going to do a little step hop, coupe it through with a bit of a panto arm. So you're going to lift and through, lift and through, lift and through, lift and through. A little spin and finishing on the end. So we're going to try it with the music. I don't feel that I'm appropriately dressed for this, so that's much better. So got my cutlass ready to go. Let's get the music. Well done, my hearties. See you again soon.